Hi, my name is Nevena. I am originally from Serbia. I am a medical doctor at Clinic for Infectious and Tropical Diseases in Belgrade. Currently, I'm doing my PhD under the CDP program, a collaboration between GRC and the University of Florence. My research project focuses on application of artificial intelligence to study microbiome. The human microbiome is a collection of all microbes on and inside our body. And in detail, I am studying the connection between human microbiome and the cancer. I chose a science for policy career and PhD because I strongly believe that evidence-based decision-making is essential for creating effective solutions, especially when we are talking about sensitive topics such as human health. Working at the GRC is very interesting. It's such a diverse and inspiring environment. There are the people from all over Europe and from different sectors. We have a really nice relations with a lot of fun as well. Working and publishing at the GRC, in my opinion, makes my research more visible and more impactful. In all honesty, I'm not sure yet about my plans after PhD. I have at least 3 possibilities or combinations to work at the clinic, to work at the university or the government agency. This program is for the enthusiastic and curious people who are into science, but also into bringing the evidence to the policymakers. Do you think this might be you? Check the website and apply.